So today's video is going to be a plan with me and my Erin Condren hourly planner. I am really excited to do this for you guys. I filmed a couple of these and then just ended up not really doing anything with them. So here's to hoping that this time I actually edit it and upload it. So this week is actually this week that I'm planning for is actually my mom's birthday. My mom's birthday's on Saturday. So I'm going to be using my Paper Jam Studios hourly Gnome Sweet Gnome kit because my mom really loves gnomes. Very excited to use this. And then I'm also going to be using a bunch of Sticky Sloth design stickers. I'm actually going to be on vacation for most of this week. So I'm not going anywhere, but I will be on vacation from work. So I'm really excited about that. We're just gonna jump right in. I am not gonna be using all of the stickers in this kit, but I do have a little bit of an idea of kind of what I wanna do because I have planned with these Paper Jam Studio kits a few times now at this point. So I've got a little bit of an idea of what I want, not like a fully thought out thing, but we will see. Hello, Nug, are you coming to join us? Nug, what you doing, bear? What you doing, Nuggy Bear? I don't know if you guys can see her, but she is nosing around over here. You can't play with my charm. I've got a little dangly charm paper clip that I made. You girl, you cannot have that. No, you cannot. Okay. So here's my only Nug. Here's my only dislike for these Paper Jam Studio kits. They're not cut super great. Other than that, though, I do really like them. Are you kidding me? You just took that off my planner. Give it back. You can't have that. You cannot have this. It's not yours. Oh, my Lord. She literally took it off of my planner. Girl, you are getting bold, let me tell you. Okay. You are getting so bold. Yes, you are. All right, so for the rest of this video, I'm just going to be doing a voiceover because the audio got super messed up somehow when I uploaded this into my editing software. So I'm not really going to talk too much about the stickers that are going down because you guys can see them. But I did want to talk to you guys about what I was actually talking about during this section. So what I wanted to address was, I'm sure you guys have seen, I haven't really posted any budgeting videos or cash envelope videos. Reason being, at the current second, I'm just not using my cash envelopes. I realized the last time that I was going to start having a whole lot of money in my Christmas fund because I started literally pretty much right after Christmas. Actually, I started before Christmas filling my Christmas fund for this year. And then also that I was going to have a whole lot of ones for my Amazon Prime stuff. And so I am still using cash envelopes, but kind of bank account stuff. I don't know. Very weird to me, but that is what I am doing for that situation right now. I'm going to probably have a cash envelope video next week, more talking about this more because our budget is actually changing. So I'm going to pull the cash out for that because our budget is so different. So I just need a couple weeks of pulling cash out so I can see how it works. So that's kind of the situation on the budgeting stuff. So now we'll get back into what I'm actually doing. So right now I'm putting down a work sticker from this kit, and in about 2 seconds, I realize that I don't like having that sticker there. Just because I don't know what it is. It doesn't look bad. It's just weird to me. I guess I just don't, I don't know. I feel like it's too wide. So I decided that for the time that I was working, I was going to draw in arrows, and then I would put some stickers later that said what I was doing. So work and school and things like that. And then now I'm just going through all of my Sticky Sloth design stickers and finding what I want. So I normally have a conference call at 3 p.m. on Mondays at work. However, that was a joke because my boss was also on vacation this week. She took off for vacation Monday afternoon, as did I. So we didn't have that conference call. And then next I'm putting a sticker that says "You are magical" in the corner. I still, I liked it when I put it there. Not in love with it. Wish I would have put the deco there instead, but it's okay. Things happen. So I figured I'd just put the deco along the top. Originally, I was just going to put it on Saturday, which is why I put that coffee cup so weird, because Saturday is my mom's birthday, which is, as I said in the beginning of the video, the whole reason why I was using this Gnome Sweet Gnome kit. But it's fine. I don't love it. Bad decisions were made, but that's okay. We will survive with bad decisions. I don't know what I'm doing next. Okay, now I'm doing the sidebar. So what you guys don't get to hear, but you'll see later, is that I put down this weekly list, didn't think anything of it, just put it down. I kind of looked at it and thought it was a little short, but whatever. There's only Monday through Friday on there. That don't work for me. And then I forgot my whiteout at work, so I tried to just put the foil numbers over the top. That didn't work. I still forgot to bring my whiteout home. So no foil numbers this week, but I can do that later on. I was looking back to see what habit trackers I wanted to put down. It's kind of the situation on that. And then now I'm using the foiled header again to use this kind of like a washi. Now, because this is made for the vertical, I did have to kind of move it around to center it so that it wasn't it didn't look all weird. Again, it's not bad. I'm not mad about it. I actually like the way that it looks on the side. But usually I don't put sidebar stickers because I don't use them, but I wanted to fill up the sidebar. I'm going to be honest with you. Other than when I physically wrote down my to-do list, which you'll see later, I have not actually used anything on that sidebar. But to be fair, I'm also on vacation this week. Haven't really looked at my planner to start with. So then I decided to just put down the third habit tracker. There's nothing else on the sidebar. It is a weird gap, but I'm okay with it. And then I started trying to decide when I was going to work on school stuff this week and when I was going to have days off, quote unquote. That didn't happen. I ended up last minute. We were doing some sort of inspection at my apartment. So I ended up leaving and going to my mom's house on Tuesday. So I did all of my work that I was going to do on Wednesday and Thursday. On Tuesday, I still need to do work for next week to get ahead because we're a little bit busy at work. Later this week, but today is Wednesday. Today I'm taking my real actual day off other than just editing some videos, filming some videos. I don't know, whatever I decide to do. And then the other thing I'm doing to kind of mark the time is Allie sells these super cool corner covers that are detached, so you can make them however you want. So I actually use those this week to mark the time frame of when I'm going to go to work. I've been drawing a box around the time and a mild liner and then putting those on, but I just decided this week I would try it with no lines. I am in love with this, and this is probably what I'm going to do going forward. So I need to place a billion orders for these corners because they're great. And I only put 2 corners on. I did realize midway through that I could have definitely probably alternated sides and made it work better, but it's okay. You live, you learn. And then now I'm going through some old stickers and I realized I had some Glam Planner glitch kits and I was like, hey, this light gray will fit really well. So I put my laundry sticker down on Tuesday. I'm about to put it up at the top. I didn't like it. It's not that it looked bad. I would just like to say that every decision that I made where I'm saying bad decision, didn't look bad, or looked bad, didn't like it. It's not that it actually looked bad. It's just the way I feel like an hourly planner should look. I don't know. Probably because I'm not using stickers on every day and probably because I failed majorly the first week that I did this, and I'm just not I'm still not used to planning with an hourly planner. I'm still not feeling confident about it, But the reason that I plan with an hourly planner is because all I really do 5 days a week is work. I don't make really long to-do lists. And then even after that, like my boyfriend works 5 days a week and then he has to go do like extra like job stuff on the weekends. So we don't really go do much, and I don't either. A lot of my friends don't live in the state anymore. So I'm still trying this hourly planner thing. Also, I forgot until I started doing this video that I put those meal stickers on the bottom. Did your girl fill those out? No. Has your girl even decided what we're having for dinner this week? No. I'm just going to probably pull stuff out of the freezer as I know when he's coming home, because sometimes he comes home from dinner, sometimes he goes to his dad. So I don't know. But yeah, I think this is pretty much the basic gist of the rest of what's going on, is just going back through some Sticky Sloth design stickers, seeing if there's any I want to use, which I love these sleep-in stickers. I don't even know if you can still get them anymore, but they're adorable and I love them. And I think I put them on like every day this week and I'm okay with that. But yeah, so I'm just going to head off of here. I do have a little clip from where I actually got my new Sticky Sloth design stickers. So I will probably put those in. Actually, I am going to put it in right after this is done. But yeah, I don't know if I do an outro in that video, so I'll just do it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will hopefully do some more of these soon. Also, please let me know in the comments if you guys would rather have full speed talk throughs or if you guys enjoy, the shorter voiceover versions. I could have made this an 8-minute video, but then I felt like I couldn't get in everything I wanted to talk about, plus talk about the stickers. So let me know what you guys prefer in the comments, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! All right, everyone, so I did finally get my stickers from Sticky Sloth Designs. So I went ahead and added those into the spread. So I just wanted to add a quick clip here so you guys could see the completed spread. So I just added the work sticker on the day that I'm working, and then I added a class sticker those 3 days, and then a little assignment due sticker down here. So that is my completed spread. I hope you guys enjoy this. I am going to just pop this in so you guys can see. And I actually just picked up Nugget from the vet, so I'm gonna go check on her, make sure she's okay. She's hiding. She just got spayed, so she is not happy with me, but we're gonna survive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys all in my next video.